Ever stared at your credit card statement, wondering where all that money went? Felt like you were playing a detective game, trying to piece together your spending habits? You're not alone. And if you're like me, you've probably heard whispers about this budgeting tool called YNAB, or You Need a Budget. It's supposed to be the holy grail of personal finance, right? But here's the burning question: can you actually link your credit card to it? Because let's be honest, credit cards are a fact of life for many of us. We use them for everything from groceries to online shopping, and the idea of manually entering every single transaction feels daunting. So, can YNAB handle the credit card chaos? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But it's not quite as simple as just plugging in your card details and watching the magic happen. YNAB's approach to credit cards is actually pretty unique, and it's designed to fundamentally change how you think about them. See, YNAB isn't about tracking your past spending. It's about giving every dollar a job before you spend it. This means you're not just looking at what you've already bought, you're planning for what you will buy. And this is where the credit card integration shines. When you link your credit card to YNAB, it pulls in your transactions automatically. This saves you the time and hassle of manual entry. But here's the crucial part: YNAB treats your credit card like any other account. It doesn't magically pay off your balance. Instead, it helps you budget for those future payments. Think of it this way: when you use your credit card, YNAB moves the money from the category you spent from, say, groceries, to your credit card payment category. This ensures that you have the funds set aside to pay off your balance when the bill comes due. It's like a virtual envelope system, but for your credit card. This approach forces you to be intentional about your credit card spending. You're not just accumulating debt, you're actively planning to pay it off. And because you're budgeting with money you already have, you're avoiding the trap of living on credit. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, linking your credit card requires a subscription to YNAB. Second, the automatic import isn't always instantaneous. There might be a slight delay, so it's still a good idea to check your transactions regularly. But the benefits are undeniable. By linking your credit card, you're gaining a clearer picture of your finances, reducing the risk of overspending, and ultimately, taking control of your debt. YNAB isn't just about managing your money, it's about changing your mindset. It's about shifting from reactive spending to proactive budgeting. It's about understanding that your credit card isn't free money. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can help you achieve your financial goals. And YNAB provides the framework to do just that. So, yes, you can link your credit card to YNAB, and it's a powerful way to transform your relationship with credit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.